Are you doing enough with your shop to reach eBay buyers? New features are here to help you tell your story, showcase your top items, and drive traffic. It just takes a few minutes to set up a shop that tells your story and showcases who you are as a seller. Showcase your items and put your top-selling items, categories, and deals in front of buyers with new inventory strips, visual categories, and a clickable marketing banner. New shop newsletter templates and social sharing of coded coupons will help you drive traffic directly to your listings. Shops are also now visible on the eBay app, making it easier for buyers to find your shop. By adding a little bit of sparkle to your eBay shop, you can showcase your best items and build your brand presence with eBay buyers. With a new shop tab in Seller Hub, it's easier than ever to set up and manage your shop. Plus, updated designs and new features give you more ways to build your brand, show off what you sell, and drive traffic to your listings. Get your shop sorted today. It just takes a few minutes to boost your business. Learn what your shop can do.